Welcome back mga ka-travel. Talakayin natin ang pangalawang araw ng Store Managers Assembly. As early as 5:30 AM guys, gumising kami ni Daddy-O upang silipin ang tanawin. At bumaba na kami ng session room upang tikman ang napakasarap na almusal. At mga ilang minuto pa ay magsisimula ng magsalita ang ating mga panauhin. At nagsimula na ngang magsalita ang ating guest speaker na si Mr. Anthony Pangilinan.
Dr. Margaret Wheatley, an expert in the field of change. She said this: "Can I clarify one thing? We're in a change management conference. None of us here can change any organization. None of us here can even change one person. Have you tried to change your husband? Ikaw nga, ang hirap baguhin, di ba? We can only disturb," she said. And by disturb, she meant we can inspire, we can provide information, we can upskill, o pwede rin natin pilitin, pwede natin takutin, puwersahin.
Here's to you, Robinsons Retail's President and CEO, Mr. Bina Gokaway.
Morning, everyone. Morning. Who are new in this session? So you're about 20. I'll give you na lang. Last year, I gave a long history about myself. So now I will give a short history about myself and talk about something else. This was written by my ghostwriter in the office. Can you tell me what's wrong with this? Ano? Without S, thank you very much. Kasi, yan ang problema. Palagi tayong walang S. Don't forget, we are plural because we have more than one store. Now, what's wrong with it? Is there anything else that's wrong? Okay. Now, why do people... this is about... Anthony Pangilinan talked about how important it is that if you want to be a leader, you have competence, good conduct, and good communication skills. Hindi naman kailangan perfect grammar, pero wag naman sobrang wrong grammar. Because you have to talk to your customers, to suppliers, you have to talk to executives, right? So dapat their communication skills have to be very good. First, I'll give you a history about myself. Okay, when you were not born yet, I joined Robinsons Retail at the age of 23 in 1984. Mga matrona na yung mga... Do you know these people, would you believe they all look like matrona, but they were 40 years old? Because at that time, when you were 40, you looked 60. Okay. Then in 1998, at the age of 37, I became Group GM with 3 banners and 12 stores. So I started as receiving clerk 6 months, sales clerk 6 months, kahera 6 months, etc. Every little detail on operations, I'm always questioning and questioning. It's because of my training. Then after that, I went to merchandising. Then after 2 years, I became head already. Okay, then at the age of 37, I became group general manager with 3 banners and 12 stores. Nag-retire na lahat sila dun sa... First were Robinsons Supermarket, Robinson's department store in Handyman. So in 1998, we had 12 stores. Then, at the age of 52, I became president and COO, and we listed in the stock exchange. Then, at the age of 57, I became president and CEO. And so this year, I celebrate my 40th year in our company. And I want to tell you why I ended up in Robinson's Retail. We only had two businesses at that time, URC and Robinson's. And Mr. John said, hindi bagay ang babae sa planta. At that time, hindi talaga bagay. Ngayon, hindi na pwede sabihin mo hindi bagay.
At pagkatapos magpakilala ni Madam Robina ng kanyang sarili, kami pong lahat ay nagtungo sa harapan ng Kenyon Woods Hotel para sa pictorial. Alam nyo guys, this is my first time to join in this store managers assembly, and I've learned a lot to transform by differentiate, innovate, and motivate. And thank you for HR department for including me in this event. At ang pamunaan ng Robinson's Retail. Napakasaya guys ng assembly na ito, and this is the best experience I've ever had. At pagkatapos ng photoshoot na ito, kami ay nag-lunch break na. Pagkatapos nga ng aming pananghalian ay ipinamigay na ang mga loot bags. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. At kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa pamunuan ng Robinson's Retail sa mga natanggap naming mga regalo o mga giveaways sa araw na ito. Ayan guys, uuwian na po namin. Kanya-kanyang ayos na po ng loot bag. Yan, dami. Ingat na po tayo guys. Magagabi na nang dumaan kami sa IPI flyover sa Ortigas Avenue.
Baby, you are all I hoped. I just wanna take you home. Can you let me hold?
Hingi lang ako ng pabor sa inyo guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my FB page at ACT Tugade Ka Travel Vlog TV channel. At dito ko na guys tatapusin ang second day ng Store Managers Assembly. At abangan pa ang mga susunod nating vlogs. Keep safe, drive safe, and stay healthy. And thank you for watching. At dito ko natatapusin ang aking vlog mga ka-travel. At hanggang sa susunod pa nating mga vlogs. Thank you for watching.